say goodbye to hardwiring, and say hello to the new Thinkware-compatible OBD-II power cable by EchoMaster. The OBD-II power cable enables the same parking mode features as the hardwiring kit without the lengthy installation process. EchoMaster manufactures the plug-and-play OBD-II cable specifically for Thinkware dashcams. This is a great solution for customers that lease their vehicles or own a luxury vehicle, as switch power can be difficult to find in luxury vehicles. The first item in the box is the OBD-II power cable. The OBD-II power cable has a female OBD-II connector, a male OBD-II connector, a 10-pin Molex connector, and a power cable for the dash cam. The next thing in the box is the ignition module. The ignition module plugs into the 10-pin Molex connector on the power cable. This module detects if the ignition is on or off. 2 self-tapping screws and 2 zip ties are also included in the box. To install the OBD-II power cable, you will need the following: the EchoMaster OBD-II kit, a screwdriver, and trim tools. Let's start the installation by locating the OBD-II port on the vehicle. Typically, the OBD-II port can be located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug the female end of the EchoMaster OBD-II cable into the OBD-II port in the vehicle. Next, make sure the ignition is off and plug in the ignition module into the 10-pin Molex connector. On the ignition module, there is a status LED. The LED will emit a slow, consistent flash with the ignition off. The LED will change from a flashing state to a solid state once you start the vehicle. When the LED is on solid, and if your vehicle is equipped with an automatic stop-start feature, a phantom signal will be sent to the dashcam to turn it on and will remain on during the event of a start-stop sequence. The LED will turn off when the dashcam changes to parking mode approximately 2 minutes and 30 seconds after the vehicle is turned off. Now let's test the OBD-II power cable. With the ignition off, plug the cable into your Thinkware dashcam. Now turn on the ignition and the dashcam should power up and start continuous recording mode.
Continuous recording will now start.
Make sure parking mode is enabled on your dashcam and turn off the ignition and wait a few minutes until you hear the parking recording will now start notification.
Parking recording will now start.
The OBD-II cable is now installed correctly. The last step is to hide the wires. Start from the dashcam power port. Start tucking the wires into the headliner and A-pillar and work your way down to the OBD-II port. You can use zip ties to secure the excess wires. The OBD-II pass-through can slide over top of your existing port. You can mount the OBD-II pass-through to the dash using the provided self-tapping screws. However, we're not going to attach the pass-through to the dash. We're going to neatly zip tie the excess cables together and tuck it into the footwell. The installation of the OBD-II cable is now finished. You no longer need to hire someone to install a hardwiring cable or spend hours trying to figure out what fuse to tap to if you decide to install it yourself. You can purchase the EchoMaster OBD-II cable from our website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our support team and they'd be happy to help you out.